You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x smaller than 12. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Group like terms. Combine like terms. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Add 10 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x smaller than 12.